My name's Simon Penny-Smith, Sales Director at Forktruck Solutions, and we supplied Orean Healthcare with lithium forklift trucks initially 6 years ago. The original problem that they had was double, triple shifting, needing the use of a truck for 24 hours using lead acid batteries. We overcame this problem by using EP lithium electric, and we supplied the first EP lithium electric to Europe, to Orean, 6 years ago. That truck's been running 7 days a week, 24 hours a day on and off for the last 6 years. It's still in good condition, running trouble-free, and we'll probably go into a second life contract once the initial 6-year contract finishes later today. Following the first EP lithium, Orean Healthcare have taken some electric aisle masters, but more importantly, more lithium EP equipment, both counterbalance and class 3 products, pallet trucks, ride-on walk-behind pallet trucks, and a stacker as well. Orean Healthcare run a 3-shift 24-hour operation, 7 days a week, so the requirement for handling equipment to be available 24 hours a day is absolutely paramount, and we're able to supply EP lithium forklift trucks, pallet trucks that meet this demand.
Hi, I'm Val and I'm the Head of Warehousing and Logistics for Orean Personal Care. Orean Personal Care are the manufacturer of personal care products, receiving up to 200 pallets a day of componentry into our main warehouse in Lomar. 6 years ago, when we were doing a review of our trucks, we identified the biggest problem for us as a business was the standard acid battery in the electric trucks were letting us down due to poor maintenance by the operators. At that point, we did a review of more electric trucks, whether we went to LPG trucks or whether we moved to lithium. Upon looking and doing a review on the costings, the LPG truck annually would cost us thereabouts £11,000. We already identified a problem with the acid battery trucks for a standard electric, so we were introduced to EP with the lithium battery, and we decided to go with them. The battery's a sealed unit. We can opportune charge the truck, so there's very little downtime, and we already have solar panels on the roof, which means the charging cost is zero for us. So it was a no-brainer to go with EP, and 6 years down the line we haven't looked back.
Hey, Simon Manasseh here, UK Sales Manager for EP Equipment. Today's a really exciting day for me because we're very, very grateful to both Orean Healthcare, where we are today, and also to our dealer Forktruck Solutions. The day is really, really special because today we've been to see the first CPD20L1 electric EP counterbalance forklift truck, which has now been on service at Orean Healthcare for 6 years. It's coming to the end of its contract, and it really is testament to what we've been talking about within the industry, the move to electric equipment, and also the lithium-ion batteries that we make. EP Equipment are the leaders in the production and manufacturing of lithium battery-powered materials handling equipment. What makes us unique as a manufacturer is the fact that we produce our own batteries. So we are end-to-end supply when it comes down to the battery management system, which we've had in development since 2012, and with our dealers we can look after the complete package, the battery and the forklift truck. We've got lots of other great features within our product support with EP telematics, EP care platform, all good reasons to move the industry, to change the industry. And the key thing for us at EP is we just like to keep things simple, simply changing and innovating and changing the marketplaces. So again, a big thank you both to Orean Healthcare for their support and to our dealer Forktruck Solutions.